Hello, hi guys, this is Syed Makram. Hope you're doing good. As we're covering up the Excel series, let's get started with the topic as we are modifying the sheet or manipulating the sheet or working with the sheet. So today's topic is on like deleting the rows or columns or adding up the new columns and rows. So let's get started and how we can do that, and it's a shortcut key. I will explain you on that too, on that part. And this is how we talk about the monthly budget sheet, and we have created the data. And let's see in the bill of Jan, Feb and March, I've forgotten some data that it could be my electricity bill. You could see there are 5 bills of rent, car, credit card, food, phone, and so on. But I am missing the electricity bill. So for that, if I want to add a new row for electricity bill, I can do a simple trick over here is Control Shift and then plus. That's it. Control Shift and plus. That's it. Or else if you have the numeric pad separately, then you need to do just Control and plus sign. So I'm just adding up over here the bill. It's my electricity bill. Yes, electricity bill. And then you will see might be IO here and bill here. Then if I say 500, the monthly bill I am getting, and if I just enter over here, you could see that data will change. Yes, 2450 I got it, and then 9225 will be at 500 over here too. It's dynamically changing the data because we have performed based on that. Like we have automated the data. We have used sum of equations from the top to bottom from the relative function. So let's see. Again add the 500 relative cell references we have done over here, and then again 500, and over here you just need to drag and drop. You can do that. That's it. Yes, you have done this and you want to add a new column over here. Yes, you want the percentage, and you can do just Control plus sign, and you have done this. Oh, might be you want to add over here. Yeah, most probably because you want to add a month particularly. So leave this. I will be deleting it afterwards because I need to explain you on the deleting of data too, right? So let's click on E and then Control Shift plus. That's it. Add up the April month. So I'm doing of April. Yes, April 16 something. 21. Yeah, it's 2021. Just do it all to 2021. Yeah, change all 2021 as we are in the 2021 series of years. Let's do that. Yeah, and now we can add up the bill. Like for monthly budget, I have rent got increase in April 1300 it's now, and now car it's 300 now. My electricity bill I got 550 now. See how dynamically the data is getting changed based on the value what I am entering. Credit card bill, then I got 500, and then the food bill I got like 500 again. The phone bill I got 150 in this. So see how things get changed, and my total will be, again copy this, or just you need to do autofill. That's it. That's a great thing. Yeah, that's it. That's how things will work, guys. And now I am just showing you deleting up the data, and you can do this. Just make sure I'm adding one more. I don't want to delete this data like electricity bill data, so I need to just insert one more empty column, sorry row. So we can do Shift Enter plus. Yeah, now if I want to delete this, It's just I need to do control minus, that's it. And for rows I need to do control minus, that's it. See how it shortly within seconds I have deleted the rows, columns, and inserted the rows in columns, and then I have added the value to the columns. I added over here the row of electricity bill and in my data, and then for column I have added one more month, April 2021, and so on. And if you want to go by without shortcut keys, you can go in home screen. Over here you can see the section of insert cell section. In that insert you have insert cell option, delete cell options, and so on. You can click on that and you can do it. That's it for today guys. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye, take care.